Good morning student, class 5th subject GK. I am your GK teacher Rajiv Kumar. Now here we will discuss according to point of view. Now here in this video we will discuss lesson number 1 to 8. See and observe. My dear student, yes. First of all, this is the cover page of your book. See the observe one by one as it. Next. Yes, this is your cover page of your book. Now this page is related from your book contents lesson wise. See the observe. Now here we will discuss lesson number 1. Indian official certificates are now here written. The name in helping list should be complete as it. First of all, first picture related to here passport. Now here it is used for traveling document. For international travel. Next, second, it is used to Indian identity of citizenship, Aadhaar card. Next, you will see third picture. It is 10-digit number issued by income tax, PAN card. Okay. Next, you will see here. I will revise again. First picture passport. Second is Aadhaar card. Third is PAN card. Next, you will see here. This is picture number 4. This is the record obtained of the registration of birth. This is birth certificates. Okay. Next, you will see here the card is establish the identity of the person to make him eligible to vote. Yes, voter ID card. Next is you will see here, this is record the obtained registration of death. See, this is the death certificate. So should we write down from helping list already given. See the observe. Next you will see. Now here lesson number 2, traffic rules. Yes, already helping list already written. See the observe. First of all, you write down the numbering in helping list, and now from here the first animal picture are here. Farm animal ahead. Second picture is you will see here step ancient ahead. See the observe. Next picture slippery road ahead. Given information by the picture. See the option are here. Next is children ahead. Nearby school. Have you seen? Next you will see the man at work. Roadside will be roadside. Next you will see the road narrow both side. Yes, have you seen here? If you will see clearly now here given picture many time have you seen. So next picture are here. Yes, pedestrian ahead. Okay, just like the zebra crossing on the roadside for senior citizen. Next is cyclist ahead. If you will that the roadside nearby the space for cycling. See the observe. Next we will discuss here. Third, yes, that topic we will discuss only here, gardening. So yes, what is the means of that? If you will see here, it's mean that the many of you the must be interested in plant and their protection. So we will use manure with the help of this technique for garden. So first of all, you will dig a pit 3 by 3 feet in your garden. Yes, put there the wastage, leaves, dry leaves, plant, vegetables, fruit, and cover with the help of yes newspaper and layer 5 to 6 inch thick, and then you will see and another add some fresh grass also and kitchen waste also and make a thin layer, and that this type of process you will follow. The given point are written as see the observe. Okay, I turn over the contents of the pit over the 10 to 12 days. Yes, and after this type process you will do and see the observe, a manure will be ready for your purpose. Keep the pit the rain, please cover, see the observe, and manure will be ready 3 to 4 months for plant supporting. So it is very helpful to read and carefully and follow the given instruction for manure. Okay, yes, organic fertilizer. See the observe. Next, lesson number 4, topic save environment. There are so many comments are written here from helping link, should be write down, match the pic. First of all, you will see burning wood. Okay, the picture given below the show that our environment get the disturbed. So if you will see first picture related for here burning wood, okay, disturbing our atmosphere, harmful. Next you will see wasting water, okay, it is also yes, harmful. Loss, yes, water loss here, wastage, so wasting water. Next third picture also here, yes, because third picture are related here wasting paper. So don't waste the paper, because otherwise lot of we will use cutting lot of plantation. Okay, so harmful for our environments. As that you will see here 4 point are here, see the observe. Dumping waste in river, so water pollution will be there if you will do. Next 5, unnecessary sound, more excessive noise, so harmful noise pollution our environment. Loss for hearing, see the option. The 6 point are here, throwing waste, okay, it is also peel wastage also. So please don't waste this type of thinking, you will use as a manure, that is for supporting our environment, otherwise harmful for us. Next 7 is cutting tree. Now here you will see loss our environment if lot of cutting trees, according to that now our given picture, harmful for us. Use of plastic bag, yes, losses of our environment of this type of activities. So save the environment, please don't follow the given step as it. So please save your environment, protect from this type of thinking. So next you will see lesson number 5, we will discuss here primates. Now here primates are the animal belonging to group of mammal. So first of all you will see the name of here should be write down from helping list. First is the animal name are langur, second picture rhesus monkey, third picture orangutan, fourth picture are here baboon, fifth picture chimpanzee, 6 is a gorilla, 7 is a gibbon, and 8th picture is tamarin. So already written here the name from the helping list should be write down, recognize name, particular picture related should be write down. Next you will see here 6, reptile. Yes, reptiles are the cold blooded vertebrate, and which is the means of that have you will see the backbone, and already related the pics are here. Breathe in the air with the lungs, see the observe should be write down from helping list. First picture are related here, yes, snake. The answer is venom of the about 250 species should be write down and comment complete. Second, yes, the one is picture are related to turtles live in water should be write down as that. Next dragon picture. Third komodo dragons is the biggest lizard. Next fourth is are here python should be write down. Longest snake in the world, yes, python ajgar, at that you will see 30 feet long. Fifth is smallest turtle, the name is yes trapinus, or here name should be write down small turtle live in the fresh water. Next you will see Zilla monster, the name is lizard, okay, so should be write down here. Yes, Halonormus was the earliest reptile living, and it lived 315 to 312 million years ago. Name should be write down. Next, the largest reptile, crocodile, should be write down as it 19 feet in the length. See the observe from the help link should be write down. Next, 7. Insect. We will see the identify following insect from the helping link should be write down. One is housefly. This is common insect. Okay. Yes, and spread the disease germ. Housefly. Next, you will see 2. The female species suck the blood and require by them to lay egg. The mosquito. Next, you will see 3rd. There are the social rap. Okay. So if you will see here, these are here the given picture related to should be write down from comment pick number 3rd. These are the social wasps and live in colonies. Yellow jacket. Next, you will see the 4th picture also related here. In residential area, this is insect live in the basement and sewer. Cockroach. 5th is that you will see this is the male species, and now here the name of, yes, rubbing with wings and together. Cricket. See the observe. Yes, beautiful insect and distance flight, and see the observe capable to long distance flight. See the name butterfly, monarch butterfly. 7 is that you will see here 20 times that length of the body, grasshopper. Name of the front leg, the praying position. If you will see this type of praying mantis, see the helping list and write down first of all numbering and should be write down complete the empty space in your on your line should be write down carefully from helping list. Next, you match the name insect have you seen or here. Yes. Okay. So as it you will write down from the helping list here. First of all, next here 8. Now lesson number 8, strange animal. So many animal are numbering should be write down first of all 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now first, they are the semi aquatic, playful, yes, sliding on the snow, must be bank and muddy bank, fish eating a mammal having very soft. What is the name? Otter. Answer is otter. Second, it is the wild goat found in the mountain. Yes, ibex. Now here see the option from the helping list. Yes, related picture also here indication. Third, you will see this is large marine mammal. Name is and life and all its life swimming and grazing at the bottom of the sea. Yes, manatees, also known as sea cow. 4, largest, yes, sea bird which is the largest being span, the name albatross. 5th, yes, comment are here. Now the mammals has hair and distinctive black mask like the face. So name is raccoon. 6, it is sea word, easily identify that you will know. It loved to eat fish, puffin. 7, it is the mammal found in North South America, armadillo. 8 point out here written is that you will see it is the found is the South American bull is very expensive, the anus. Answer is here vicuna. 9th is that you will see here it is the only egg laying mammal, platypus. And the last comment are it is the easily identify the zebra like a animal on its like. Yes, as that you will see zebra like a marking on its legs, okapi. should be write down from the given information here related to pick, write down. Thanks to all my dear students. Carefully see the observe one by one. Yes, given information as it. Yes, my dear student, see the observe. So for neat and clean should be write down with the help of helping list. Comments are here written and word should be write down carefully, neat and clean. Thanks to all my dear student. Thanks to all. Yes, carefully write down in your book. Thanks to all.